Good morning, children. How are you? I am Naveen sir, your maths teacher of Kakatiya Public School. Today we are going to discuss new topic algebra expressions. So our new topic is algebraic expressions. First, variable. A variable is nothing but unknown value. We don't know about the value. A variable is nothing but unknown value. The value is not fixed. It takes different value. So each and every time it will take a different value. Its value is not fixed. It is an unknown value. So we use A, B, C, Z. These alphabetical letters will use to represent variables. Next, constant. Constant is nothing but it's a fixed value. It does not change. Variable is nothing but it is an unknown value. Its value is not fixed. We will use A, B, C, D, Z letters to represent variable. Constant is nothing but it is a fixed value. It is a fixed value. It does not change. So we will use numbers 0 to 9 to represent constant. To represent the constant, we will use 0 to 9 numbers to represent the constant. Next, term. A term is nothing but a variable or a constant, or the product of variable and constant is called as a term. So we can write variable P or constant 2 or the product of variable and constant. The product of variable and constant, nothing but 2 into P, 2P. So this is also a term. So a single variable, a single constant, and the product of variable and constant is called a term. So here terms are two types. Terms are two types. Terms are two types. First one is a like terms. First one is a like terms. And second one is a unlike terms. Unlike terms. So the terms are two types, like terms and unlike terms. So first we will discuss about the like terms. The terms which consist same variable with same exponent, then the terms are called as a like terms. So the terms which has a same variable with same exponent are called like terms. For example, 2y and 3y. So what is the variable here? Y. Same variable. What is the exponent here? 1. With the same variable y with the same exponent 1, then these two terms are like terms. And one more example. 5z square and 3z square. 5z square and 3z square. So what is the variable? Z. Same variable. What is the exponent? 2. Then with the same variable with same exponent are called like terms. Next, unlike terms. The terms which consist same variable but exponent is not same, then the terms are called unlike terms. For example, same 2y and 3y square. Here variable is same but exponent is same, huh? No. Are they same exponent? No. Here exponent is 1, here exponent is 2. Then the terms which have a same variable but exponent is different are called unlike terms. So now another example, 3p and 4q. So the variables are same? No. Then this type of terms are also called unlike terms. Exponent is same. Exponent is same 1, but variables are different. Then such type of terms are also called unlike terms. So like terms nothing but the terms which have a same variable with same exponent. Same variable with same exponent. Such type of terms are called like terms. And the terms which have same variable but exponent is not same. The terms which have a same exponent but variables are not same, then such type of terms are called unlike terms. Next, expression. An expression is a single term or combination of terms connecting by symbols plus and minus. So an expression is nothing but single term or combination of terms connecting by symbols plus and minus is called expression. So single term 2x. Yes, this is also called as expression. Or combination of terms, nothing but 2x plus 5 or 2x minus 5. So the combination of terms connecting by symbols plus and minus are also called expressions. So expression is nothing but single term or combination of terms connecting by symbol plus and minus are called expressions. So here the symbols plus and minus can separate the terms, but one note is there, but multiplication and division cannot separate the terms. We will treat as a single terms. For example, I am taking two terms, 2x and 4y I am taking. So multiply these two terms, 2x into 4y, 2 4s are 8, x into y, xy. So we written as a single term. So can we separate the terms using multiplication? We can't. Now let us take 2x divided by 4y. Then 2x by 4y. Then can we divide this as a two terms? No. So we will write as a single term. So with using symbol plus and minus, we can differentiate, we can divide, we can separate the terms. But by using multiplication, division, we can't separate the terms. So we will write as a single terms. Now, expression are also two types. Expressions are also two types. So expressions are also two types. So first one is a numerical expression and second one is a algebraic expression. So first one is a numerical expression and second one algebraic expression. So the expressions also two terms. The expression are also two types. First one is a numerical expression, second one is a algebraic expression. So the expressions are two types. They are numerical expression and algebra expression. So first one is a numerical expression. So if an expression consists every term is a constant, then the given expression is called as a numerical expression. So if an expression consists every term, each and every term is a constant, then the expression is said to be numerical expression. For example, 9 plus 3 into 5. So these are the terms separated by plus. Then this is called as an expression. So this expression has each and every term is a constant. Then such type of expressions are called numerical expression. So one more example. 2 divided by 4 plus 5. 2 divided by 4 plus 5. So this is the expression. This is an expression. Each and every term is a constant. Then such type of expressions are called numerical expression. So nothing but in an expression every term is a number. Then it is called as a numerical expression. Now next, second one, algebraic expression. Algebraic expression. If an expression consists at least one variable, then the expression is called as an algebraic expression. So algebraic expression is nothing but at least one variable. If an expression has at least one variable, then the expression is said to be an algebraic expression. For example, 2x plus 3, 5z plus 4. So this is the expression. It has how many variables? At least one variable. At least one variable, then the expression is called as an algebraic expression. So we can write like this also. PQ plus QR plus Z. This is also algebraic expression. PQ, all are variables. All are variables. This is also called an algebraic expression. When we will call an algebraic expression, at least one variable. The expression should have at least one variable. Then the given expression, such type of expressions are called algebraic expressions. Next, equation. An equation consists of two expressions connecting by equal sign is called equation. So equation is nothing but two expressions. The equation is nothing but two expressions connecting by equal sign. Then it is called as an equation. So let us take 2x plus 3 and another expression 5z plus 4. This is called an equation. These two expressions connecting by equal sign. Then this is called as an equation. So equation is nothing but we can express as a two expressions. We will write as a two expressions connecting by equal sign is called equation. So the equation has two parts. So it has two parts. They are LHS and RHS. LHS is nothing but L means left, H means hand, S means side. Left hand side. Next R nothing but right hand side. So equation is nothing but the expressions. We will write as a two expressions connecting by equal sign is called as a equation. The equation has two parts. If they are LHS and RHS. LHS is nothing but left hand side. RHS is nothing but right hand side. Next, here, see, look at the equation. Here, the equation is connected by equal sign. Look at this. Two expressions are there. So this expression, it is a right side of the equal sign. This 5z plus 4 expression is a right side of the expression equal sign. So 5z plus 4 will called as a RHS. 5z plus 4 will called as a RHS of the equation. So now 2x plus 3 is a left side of the equal symbol. Left side of the equal symbol. Then this 2x plus 3 is called as a LHS. This 2x plus 3 is called as a LHS, and this 5z plus 4 is called as a RHS. Next, simple equation. Simple equation. An equation consists of one variable with degree 1 is called simple equation. So this is an equation. So let us write one equation. 2x plus 4 is equals to 5x plus 8 I written. This is the equation. Here, how many variables we used? Only one variable. What is the variable? X. It has a exponent. It has a degree is how much? 1. Degree is how much? 1. Then such type of equations are called simple equation. So here the equation consists one variable. Sorry, here between two variables, but variable is same. But variable is same variable we use. So the equation has a one variable with the same exponent. With the same exponent, nothing but degree has a 1. If the degree has a 1, then the equation is called as a simple equation. One more time explaining. An equation consists of one variable with degree 1, then the equation is called as a simple equation. So this is about a numerical expression, algebra expression, and equation and a simple equation. Worksheet. First problem. Write any three like terms. Nothing but with the same variable with the same exponent. Now second one. Write any three unlike terms. So unlike terms nothing but with the same variable with a different exponent. Now third one. Write any two numerical expressions. Nothing but every term should be a constant. Now fourth one, write any two algebraic expressions. Nothing but the expressions at least one variable, then it is called as algebraic expressions. Like that we have to write two any two algebra expressions, right? Thank you.